Hey everyone, this is Natsuko Ito, reporting on Investigation 3, our first full week of weather observations. My weather station is located in a residential neighborhood off of Shanley Street in Fairbanks, Alaska, at 64 degrees north and 147 degrees west. As you can see from the chart, the weather stayed relatively steady for the last 5 days. A cold air mass had settled into the area, and it was one of the first real cold snaps that we have experienced here in Fairbanks this winter. The average temperatures for the 5 days were negative 36 degrees Fahrenheit on the 26th, negative 36 degrees Fahrenheit on the 27th, negative 35 degrees Fahrenheit on the 28th, negative 33 degrees Fahrenheit on the 29th, and negative 27 degrees Fahrenheit on the 30th. You can see from the graph that the temperature remained fairly steady for the beginning of the 5 days. The lowest temperature dropped below negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit every night, but due to the thermometer only being able to read to negative 40, I have just written that the lowest temperature is negative 40 just for the purpose of the graph. Toward the beginning of the week, the average temperature hovered around negative 36 degrees Fahrenheit and started to increase on the 29th to negative 33 degrees Fahrenheit, and by the end of the week the temperature was around negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The current and maximum temperatures started to increase later in the day of the 28th, with a significant increase in the temperature from the 29th to the 30th. Looking at the barometric pressure, you can see that it increased throughout the week. It increased more dramatically from the beginning to the middle of the week, with a much more steady increase toward the end of the week. The barometric pressure increased from 1,019 millibars from the first day to 1,036 millibars to the fourth day. And then there was a more steady increase from 1,036 millibars to 1,039 millibars on the fourth to fifth day. The sky was mostly clear throughout the week, which could have been a contributing factor to the cooler temperatures. The cooler temperatures also caused some ice fog to form in the valley over Fairbanks. By the last day, some cirrus clouds could be seen in the sky. They were feathery, wispy, and white in color. There was very little wind throughout the week. The Beaufort number hovered around 1 and 0 on all days. On the days the Beaufort number was 1, you can see that the smoke from the chimneys being moved in a certain direction, but I could not feel it on my face. When the Beaufort number was 0, the smoke from the chimneys rose straight up. If there was wind, it was generally coming from the west and at times from the south. And this concludes Investigation 3. Thanks for watching.